Well, just look at the way she's dressed.
Well, you know, she shouldn't have been out.
Probably.
She's
I mean,
out
she's
and,
kind of
and,
asking
you know, look
for
at her.
it
She was
with
wearing
that.
shorts,
And
and
sometimes,
she goes around, you know,
me
no means
too.
wearing
Yes,
a bikini.
me
What
too.
am I
Gotta
supposed
know
to
it.
do?
Me
Huh?
too.
And
That's
she, you know,
all I
she
hear.
like
She
bad
shouldn't
boys.
be
That
too.
shouldn't
Not
be
have been
out
too.
and
Come
she's
on.
flirty, not smiling, all that.
Probably
Guys get the
mostly
wrong
her
idea.
because she's
What are they
fault.
supposed to do?
Don't
Put
you see
yourself
it?
in those
She
shoes.
saw
What she wanted,
to be
and she went after it, and something
her
boys.
fault.
It's her fault.
It's her
Don't
fault.
get so
It's
sick.
her
Don't
fault.
hide it.
It's her fault.
Change your mind.
It's her fault. It's her fault.
A man can take your child for a while, but he cannot take her soul or her smile. And when the coward is caught, your reward is survival. And the knowledge that you are still free, and the knowledge that he'll never be. In the face of uncertainty, we see bravery. When the horrible comes and it's done and you're still alive, never quit, this is it, take a shot at that son of a bitch. You keep it secret, it dies. Just remember your vile assault was never your fault. In the face of adversity, we see bravery. And the trolls and the haters will say that it's somehow your fault. And they'll tell you you shouldn't have done what you did to the wall. Their excuses will make them feel oh so important online. But it's you that endured, not the coward who posted their words. In the face of absurdity,